Hey guys, it's Dan's review and I'm back. So hey, I went to tournament locals today and I split with Jacob Jules playing. I was playing Tenpai, he was playing Fiendsmith. It's pure. So we split. We got a box of Alliance and a box of Stampede. So we split it half. So we got half. So let me see what we pull. See if we can pull any QCRs or good secrets. Probably the Malice monsters. So you can sell it back for a good amount of change. Yeah. So let's get into it. Let me start with the Alliance. So let me see if our secret today or QCR will be the Malice monster. So let me go through. Red Eyes Metal Claw Dragon. Alright, pack one. Evil Twin Kissy Kill Deal. And the secret is Diablo Star Vengeance. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. So that is the secret. So we didn't get much here. But Peters, who came top 4, he pulled the match here. Of course, it gone already. The Malice monster. So he was happy that he pulled that for sure. Sakura Vedaraj, I never see this card before. 2 level 4 detachment material from this. Target 1 rank 4 psychic, level 4 rank 4 psychic monster in your graveyard. Special summon it. If a monster is special summoned while this card is in your monster zone, except during the damage step, you can target one other piece of monster on the field. That monster then becomes discard until the end phase. Okay. Alright. That's a dark side. I know some deck will use it sometime in the future. So let's see the rest of the supers. Hopefully, I know a good ultra. Let me see. Ame no Habakiri no Metsurugi. Great support, great second wave for Metsurugi, definitely. Let me see what is the ultra. Hopefully the ultra get a greater QCR. I know. Yeah. World of Spirits. I even going to read all this now. Read that later. And, Genesis code. Right. I think I did pull the Lord, the Genesis Lord in some packs before. You know, not that one. I've still already. Oh my gosh, what's this? Struggled with this one. Playing damage it. Ancient Fairy Life Dragon, something for Blue Eyes players to tag into and still attack for more damage. Alright. Yeah. At least again a mixture of cards, couriers and things, like no repeats like what I used to get. Ultra is Fallen Angel of the Golden Lord. Okay, cool. Right. And that is the ultra. Could have been a QCR, but whatever. Next card. Agrostar's Giant Slain. Lovely. And the last packet is, oh no, second to last. Okay, cool. I think yeah, QCR, right? Mitsurugi no Mikoto Haramasa. Great second wave. I love how all these super is different. For sure. I'm sure they get a great secret to like match here. Hey, I guess I can ultra. Our next Regenesis Lord. Could have been QCR. Alright, cool. Alright, so that is that. Hopefully I give me some small change. Let's go to Stampede, see what QCR we could pull. Or maybe some what is called boys? Some poor roots to sell. Oh my gosh, so we got no QCRs. Okay, cool. Nice, cool. I need a second one of this, but not this Rarity or secret rare. Hey, Secret Service. I play Monarch, so I like the upgrade. No QCR thus far. Oh, look at the QCR they give me. My gosh. Nostalgia pack. Okay, cool. Nice upgrade. That's a QCR. Oh my gosh. I better QCR like a Maxi or something, you know. Something real good. QCR. Okay. So no QCR again. Alright. Nothing here to really for me to use. No QCR again. No full rush at all, but I ain't like that one. Let's get some full rush to sell, man. QCR, Soul Shard, no secret. Look nice though. 7%. Ah, right, so I got secret. So that's the only card I get for myself to use in staples. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at the QCRs they're giving me, boy. This is terrible. No furrows, boy, and 12 packs. That's so terrible. You don't want to make money, huh? No QCRs that are good. Apprentice Magician, oh my gosh. Could I give me this QCR? Like that. Oh, this QCR. Whatever. So far, just pulling things that I don't need, and I can't sell back too much. Wow. Alright, so I gotta try me to sell back. Just one. And not the Rarity I want. Before QCR. Oh my gosh, it's terrible. Terrible, guys. Last package. You might have good QCR now. The amount more chance definitely in this pack. Look at the QCR them giving me, boy. These things that ban. Fuck I doing with this? Alright guys, so that is it. Hope you enjoyed the pack opening. Yeah, not really the best of openings for me, but hey. What you do, boy? Still something, still purpose. Can't use that. I'll trade this, so yeah, the only card I get for me. Hope you do. Alright, guys, this is Dan's review, and I'm out.